The American University in Cairo is an educational institution that is known for offering excellent educational system, but little do we know that it does not only provide educational facilities for the AUC community. However, there are other surprising facilities that are offered here as well. One of them is the car maintenance service with a provided garage. This 6,000 meters car maintenance garage is a place where all the cars owned by the university get checked and repaired if needed, whether from buses, golf cars, or sedan cars. Each car has its own spot and its own file. It's known which car will be used for which mission and task, whether it's for fleet service or department trips.
احنا بنعمل صياناتنا هنا معظم الصيانات وفي صيانات بتعمل في التوكيل على حسب توكيل كل براند. بتعمل هنا الصيانات السريعه الحاجات اللي هي بيكون اسمها فاست مينتننس بتتعمل هنا في الاداره عندنا في الجراج عن طريق ميكانيكي او كهربائي متوفرين معايا. نظافه العربيات الكواليتي بتاعتنا اللي احنا بنسعى لها ان يكون كل العربيات نظيفه ومحافظين على الكواليتي بتاعتنا بيتم عن طريق عامل تنظيف السيارات الموجود معانا.
What is unique about this place is that AUC is considered to be the first university in Egypt that it has its own cars and its own maintenance team, working hard to ensure vehicle safety for its community, even during the COVID-19 pandemic.
كنا ايام كورونا الدنيا كانت طبعا مصر كلها تعتبر كانت متقفله فكنا بنشتغل ريموتلي كان معايا حد كان موجود معايا في المكتب كنا بنشتغل ويكلي هو اسبوع وانا اسبوع طبعا كنا بنعمل هاند اوفر نهايه كل اسبوع. كنا شغالين بس ما كانش طبعا بنفس الكباستي بتاعتنا اللي احنا شغالين بيها او بنفس الطاقه بتاعتنا حاليا.
The technicians here are very professional in their jobs and have huge experiences in their work field and in how to do the right maintenance processes for the cars and the buses.
الجامعه والاداره موفره لنا خدمات كتير عندنا اجهزه شغالين بيها لسهوله الصيانه وشغالين بسيستم واحنا اصلا يعني بناء عليه الجامعه اختارتنا ان احنا كنا شغالين في توكيلات ومعانا شهادات بكده وعندنا خبره في الصيانه وخبره في الحاجات دي.
The garage is well equipped and accordingly has different sections for performing different types of maintenance for the cars. One of their services that they offer is that they have a section where they can change the damaged car wheels and replace them with a new one. And if there is a car wheel that only needs some repairing or maintenance and doesn't need to be fully changed, that service is available too. The AUC Car Maintenance also provides developed equipment such as power bank car battery charger, which they use to help students in case of emergency breakdown for vehicles parked inside the campus. Another developed equipment is the LaunchPro car error scanner, which the technicians use to precisely capture any car malfunctions. In fact, this kind of service is what makes the AUC stand out as it has all the facilities needed for its community. Mirna Abou El Seoud, AUC TV.